Hey people, what's good? Right, I'm so amped up because Vans have asked me to present their collaborative collection with Nigel Cabourn that is dropping this weekend. And I'm so amped up because one, it's Vans, and I love everything about Vans ever since I used to skate back in the day, the pinnacle footwear as founded by Paul Van Doorn all the way back in 1966. And also Nigel Cabourn, a legend within British menswear fashion, a man who has been part of the fabric for 50 years alongside his contemporaries such as Paul Smith, Vivienne Westwood, Margaret Howland, and a whole load of other, illustrious names. But the thing is, the beautiful thing about Nigel Cabourn is I've had the great pleasure to meet the chap, and he's so unassuming, so humble. But he has continued just to stick to his guns, taking inspirations from all things military, all things outdoors, everything that just like he has as part of his own lifestyle. And you know what? He's just done it to the maximum levels. And this collaborative collection with Vans highlights that. We're talking about 10 pieces of apparel, and we're talking about 7 styles of footwear, that is. Utilizing the old school, utilizing the slip-ons and the authentics. I'm going to be breaking it down with 3 versions of the authentic. But before we get into that, let's check out this. Now, as I said, Nigel loves to work with all things military, and that includes bags and every other little tidbit that relates to anything that you associate with our servicemen who continue to protect us. And we have this bag here, 2 big pockets at the front, and you've got the lanyard right here, the leather lanyard with Nigel Cabourn written on it. Okay, and inside this nylon bag we have socks, which feature as part of the collection as well. I mean, come on, your feet have to be cozy, right? And we don't want any cheesy feet, don't want any cheesy feet. So the socks, and these are very, very well cushioned indeed. And then to this bad boy. Now there's 2 sweatshirts in the collection, and this is one of them, featuring the artwork of Taji Matsuda and this distinctive arrow as well, which Nigel Cabourn has penned, and that features through the collection as well. The quality is absolutely dope. Yep, about that indeed. But also, you got items like this fleece here, which features Taji Matsuda's graphics on the back, and also a jacket, a shirt, a cap, and a few other little bits as well. But now to the shoes, and I have to say I just love this little netted grab bag as well, military inspired. What do you expect? Okay, and as I said, we have 3 to present out of the 7. All right, let's get involved and let's see what we got. Okay, first things first, the packaging. Look at that, featuring a beautiful camo. I think it's a jungle camo. Forgive me if I've got that completely wrong, Nigel. But anyway, it just looks like it's belongs in the jungle because you've got the orange pops. Anyway, that's a wicked touch. So, to the shoes. Now, these are absolutely beautiful. Look at the silhouette. It's a classic Vans silhouette. And this is where Vans Vault separates itself from the rest of the range, because this takes it back to the original symmetry, the original silhouette that you associate. When you look at all those images of the skaters in California rocking these bad boys. But now, let's get it in close and personal. You've got a rugged, tough textile right here, canvas textile. I just love how you have the orange foxing that just breaks up the shoe. You've got the gum sole, synonymous with Vans. And then what's beautiful about this pair, you've got 5 different colours in play. You've got the navy here, then you've got the sky blue, then you've got that real light blue, almost turquoisey pop there. You have the grey, and then you have the sort of burnt red on the heel. Look at that. How cool is that? Very navy in its iteration, and as you'd expect, because Nigel is taking full inspiration from all aspects of the armed services. So these are a beautiful look, right? Okay, let's check out these ones. Woo! Oh yeah. You've got the deco stitching in play here. And if you want to know why, it's because when active servicemen are in the field, they don't have time to go, hey, I want a new pair of pants. They've got to repair what they have. These are absolutely beautiful. US Navy inspired. And I do believe this probably takes it from the flight deck of Air Force carriers, aircraft carriers, the pilots, and what they wear. I could be wrong. Hey, don't shoot me if that's the case. But anyway, look at that. And I just love how the sand textile upper blocks and contrasts against the navy sole. And again, the orange piping that surrounds the shoe, breaking up so beautifully. Yo. But now I think I've saved my favorite pair for last. And you'll see why. Because the thing is, Nigel and I have a penchant and appreciation for all things camo. And just look at these. Oh yes. So the jungle camo pops so hard on foot. Look at that. You got the Vans footbed as well. And also all of the shoes have a camo interior, which is a wicked look as well, a wicked detail. The Vans tab right there. But the styling, show, you can rock these in many ways. And they're absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And as I said, dropping this weekend. Check out Nigel Cabourn's website, check out Vans' website, and you get the full deal. I don't think you're going to be disappointed either way, because I think all the flavours in the mix are absolutely superb, and I think there's something for everyone. I really do, and I think you're gonna actually appreciate it. And the other good thing is so affordable, because Cabourn's prices, you know, quite deservedly are normally that high. With this collection, everything becomes very affordable indeed. So I hope you appreciate it, and yo, I hope you cop. All right. Anyway, as always, thanks very much for joining us. Once again, thanks very much to everybody at Vans and everybody at Cabourn. And yeah, see you soon. Peace.